YouTube channel, where today I'm going to do the tutorial for the wolf. This is an improver dance with 32 counts, 4 walls and 1 easy restart. The choreographer is Jonno Liberman and the music is by the SUBSCiRBE band, The Wolf. I have done the demo, so you will be able to find that on YouTube. So, thank you for joining me and let's get started. We have step right to the side with a hitch on the left, step left to the side and do a flick with the right. Give me a quarter turn as you do a shuffle step to face 3 o'clock, and then another shuffle step as you turn half to face 9 o'clock. From the top, we have step, hitch, step, flick, shuffle, step, and you've got your weight on the right leg. Counts for that are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Now we're going to step back and tap the left foot. We're going to step back on the left and tap the right foot. And then we're going to do a rock, recover, and 2 walks. 1, 2. Again, that is stepping back on the right, step back, tap the left, step back, tap the right, rock, recover, walk, walk. The counts for that are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if you want extra little bit of styling on the step back, give a little body roll. And then also for extra styling on the 2 walks, you can do a full turn. I'll add that on so you can see it. So we would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, going up. We are going to do a rocking chair. The right foot is going to go forward, left, back on the place, back with the right, back left in the place. Step with a ball on the right foot and give a little swivel on it. Then repeat the rocking chair with the left. Forward, recover, back, recover, and swivel. Those are syncopated rocking chairs. So the counts go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. One more time. Rocking chair. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Excellent. Moving right along our last set of 8, we're going to step on the right foot forward and we're going to pivot a half over our left shoulder to face 3 o'clock. Then we're going to step again and we're going to do a pivot over that left shoulder to face 9 o'clock. And then we're going to go stamp, stamp, and we're going to circle the hips counterclockwise. So, counts for that. Step 1, pivot 2. Step 3, pivot 4. Stamp 5, 6, 7, 8 for your circle. And that is the whole dance. And now we start again on our wall here at 9 o'clock. So I will do that for you. Here we go. We have side, hitch, side, flick, quarter, shuffle, half, shuffle. Step back and tap, step back and tap, rock, recover, walk, walk. Rocking chair with a tap and a swivel. A rocking chair with a tap and a swivel. A step, a pivot. A step, a pivot, a stamp, stamp, and a circle for 2 counts. All right, let's try wall 3. Now on wall 3, we have our restart. So after 16 counts, we restart. By that time, we will be on wall 4. So here we go. I'm just going to count it now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's your 16 counts. So now we start again here. Fourth wall facing 3 o'clock. Step and hitch and step and a flip. A shuffle, quarter, a shuffle, a half. Step back and tap, step back and tap. A rock, recover, a walk, walk. A rocking chair with a tap swivel. A rocking chair with a tap swivel. Step half a pivot. Step half a pivot. Stamp, stamp, circle around. And then we're back at the beginning again. No more restarts now. That's it. Remember the little button if you want to slow everything down. The little button at the bottom, little wheel. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. See if you like it. Or if you have any good criticisms, I'm open to them. All right, everybody. So look out for the demo, and I will see you next time.